All set. I'm done. It's all flushed. It's all cleaned in the front. And as you can see, these styrofoams, they stay in there. And protects, you know, the clutter of the debris. So I did the best I can, washing it down. And I made sure, as you can see, water is flowing pretty good. Pushed out all those leaves right out. So, and so over there too. Pushed out all those leaves. So, everything is good right here. And also, on this other side of the roof, it's clean also. Water's flowing pretty good. It's all clean in there. And this is the part of that siding that I'm telling you that needs to get fixed. Right there. And then continue over on this side. Just clean over there. You may have to put an extension right down there, because all it does is puddles right over there. You can see all that wetness in that area there. You have to put an extension going that way so it can shoot out that way. Same thing. All spouts are open, all of them, and over here too. And over here too. Nice and clean.